Why are you trying to eat the ball? What's that? What's that? Anyways, look at this little guy. He's trying to eat the ball. He's trying to eat the ball. He's also playing with it. Kind of fun. I'm just going to move closer to film. Closer. I really love this environment. I'm not trying to hurt you. Sorry, little guy. Sorry, little guy. Look, it's so fun. I'm just gonna. I think this kitten loves this ball. It loves the ball. Hey, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting. I'm just going to look away real quick. See, one of the kittens wants to play too. It's so cute. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Hopefully they don't fight. I'm just going to cut the recording. Okay, alright guys, I'm back. I gave another kitty the ball. It's starting to play with it again. I don't know where. It's kind of peaceful here. It's cute. What's that? Oh, it almost standing. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Sorry. My new name for that cat is Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Whiskers. 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 Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Whiskers. Look over there. Look over there. Meow. Meow. What's that other kitten trying to do? Looks like the kitten. The heck? I'm just going to. Okay, we're done. Done. Okay, we're done. And cut. Man.
Never one deposit for short sentence.
Oink.